Guys, welcome back today, and today we discuss about the Radha Saptami. The topic about Radha Saptami is so good. Why? Why we should do Radha Saptami? Radha Saptami is one of the most important Hindu festivals that is observed on Saptami. It's seventh day. Saptami means seventh. During the Sukla Paksha, the bright fortnight of the moon of the Maga in the Hindu calendar. In the Gregorian calendar, these dates fall somewhere between the months of mid-January to February. Radha Saptami normally falls on the second day following the celebration Sri Panchami or Vasanta Panchami. This festival is devoted to Sun God and also popularly known as Surya Jayanti, Maga Jayanti, Maga Saptami. Lord Surya is known to be an avatar of Lord Vishnu. This day celebrates birth anniversary of Surya Bhagavan, and is believed that on this day Sun God enlightened the whole world. The word Radha means chariot, and on the day of the Maga Sukla Paksha Saptami, Lord Sun is worshipped sitting on his golden chariot that is driven by 7 white horses. The glory of Lord Sun, his chariot and Radha Saptami is not just limited to this, but it is extended far more. In India, there are many temples built in the honor of the Lord Sun, and special events and celebrations are held on the Monday of the Radha Saptami. In all these temples, the festivities are well known in the Tirupati Balaji temple with the special puja arrangements. Surya Narayana, Narayana means God Vishnu. Radha Saptami holds special significance in the Indian states of the Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. See, some rituals say at Radha Saptami that during all the day, see, on the day Radha Saptami devotees get up before sunrise to take a holy bath. The Radha Saptami Snana is an important ritual of the day, should be performed at the time of the Arunodaya only. It is believed that taking a sacred bath during this time will free a person from all illness and ailments, bestow good health. For this reason, Radha Saptami is also popularly known as Arogya Saptami. In Tamil Nadu, devotees take the sacred bath using irukku leaves. After completing the bath, devotees after Arugyadan, the sun god at the time of sunrise. The rite of the Argyadan is performed by offering water slowly from some small kalash in the Namaskar Mudra to Surya Bhagavan by facing towards him the standing positions. Many people perform these rituals 12 times along with the chanting 12 different names of Surya Bhagavan each time. Kaga, Pusha, Kapaswan, Suvana Sutra, Hiranyareta, Bhargava, some 12 mantras is there. So, okay, after completion of the bath, devotees after the Agyadan to Sun God already discussed, right? Following the devotee light up a ghee Deepak worships Sun God with red flowers, kapoor and dhoop. It is believed that the observer of all these rituals to Sun God will be bestowed with good health, longevity, and success. On the day of the Radha Saptami, in many holes, women draw the images of Sun God. Along the chariot and welcoming gesture, they make a beautiful rangoli in front of their houses in the counter yard. In the courtyard, milk is put in mud vases and boiled facing the sun. This milk is then used to make the sweet rice, parmanam, bhog for offering to Sun God. Chanting Gayatri Mantra or reciting Surya Sahasranamam, Aditya Hridayam, Aditya Savita Surya Kaga Pusha Kapaswan Subhana Sadhus Hiranyareta. Like this Aditya Hridayam is there, you can go ahead and the puस्तks you can get it. And Surya Astakam are considered as very auspicious day. Say coming to important times Radha Saptami this year, February 19, 2021, it starts 7 a.m. and sunset will be February 19, 2021, 6:20 p.m. Snan Muhurta is time at February 19, 5:24 a.m. onwards to 7 a.m. before time, and sunrise time Argyadan, February 19, 2020, 6:56 a.m. onwards. Saptami Tithi begins at 8:18 a.m. onwards. I mean February 18 onwards, and Saptami Tithi ends with February 19, 10:58 on 10:58. Okay, significance of Radha Saptami. If you see, the day of Radha Saptami is very auspicious for Hindu and gives the same virtues that observing the dana punya activities on the day of the Surya Grahan. The Hindu religion sun god is referred as the god of health and worship for good health and longevity. It is also believed by that is staunchly worshipping sun god this day. All kinds of sins from the current previous births will be pardoned. Radha Saptami is also signifies the movement sun god in his charges towards the northern hemisphere. This day signifies arrival summer season and is also indicative of the rising temperatures mostly across southern states of India. Southern like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, blah blah. Radha Saptami also denotes the beginning of the harvesting season and thus for the Indian farmers is symbolizing a promising beginning of the new year because of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. You know the listen, Jai Jawan. Yeah. Okay. Coming to Radha Saptami, this is for today. All this one. So guys, do well and do the puja to God's son. Get health, gain money. Sun gives money. You know, Satrajit to get some haram. God Surya. Akshay Patra also for Draupadi is from God Surya. And Rama got blessings for Surya by fighting with Ravana. Everybody, you know that all the stories, right? See, this is about the story of the Saptami. Subscribe me. Thank you.